I just spent 52 hours testing Claude AI against ChatGPT across 10 brutal categories, and the results shocked me. One AI tool absolutely dominated in coding, while the other crushed it in creative writing. But the winner might surprise you. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post every week. Today, I'm settling this debate once and for all. I tested everything from basic math problems to complex Python scripts, creative writing to data analysis. I even threw some weird edge cases at both AIs to see which one breaks first. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tool deserves your hard-earned money in 2024. Let's start with the honest truth about pricing, because this shocked me. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month and gives you GPT-4 access with browsing capabilities. Claude Pro also costs $20 monthly but offers 5x more usage than ChatGPT's limits. Here's what nobody tells you about the free tiers. ChatGPT's free version uses GPT 3.5, which is honestly pretty outdated now. Claude's free tier actually gives you limited access to their latest model, which is a game changer for budget-conscious users. But wait, the best part is coming up because I discovered something about Claude's limits that could save you serious money. I tested both AIs with 3 real coding challenges. First, I asked them to build a Python web scraper for e-commerce prices. ChatGPT gave me working code in 2.3 seconds, but it had a critical bug in the error handling. Claude took 3.1 seconds but delivered cleaner, more maintainable code with proper exception handling. When I asked both to debug a React component with 47 lines of broken code, Claude identified all 3 issues, while ChatGPT missed the use state hook dependency. For the final test, I threw a complex SQL optimization problem at both. The results were mind-blowing. Claude's solution ran 23% faster than ChatGPT's approach. If this is helpful so far, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Now let's talk about creative writing, because this is where things get interesting. I asked both AIs to write a 500-word blog post about sustainable technology. ChatGPT's version was polished and engaging, hitting all the SEO keywords perfectly. Claude's approach was completely different. It wrote with more personality and included specific examples that felt genuinely researched. When I ran both articles through Grammarly, ChatGPT scored 94 while Claude hit 97. But here's where it gets crazy. I asked both to write product descriptions for a fictional smartwatch. ChatGPT focused on features and benefits like every other AI tool out there. Claude crafted descriptions that felt like they came from Apple's marketing team. Here's what nobody talks about. Claude seems to understand context and brand voice way better than ChatGPT. This is the secret that could change your decision completely. Claude has something called constitutional AI training that makes it incredibly honest about its limitations. When I asked both AIs to analyze stock market trends, ChatGPT gave confident predictions. Claude literally said, "I cannot predict future market movements, and you shouldn't base financial decisions on my analysis." This might sound boring, but it's actually revolutionary for professional use cases. I tested this with medical questions, legal advice, and financial planning. Claude consistently provided more responsible, nuanced answers, while ChatGPT sometimes overstepped its expertise. For businesses and professionals, this reliability factor is absolutely crucial in 2024. Let me share 3 specific examples that showcase the real differences. I uploaded a 15-page research paper to both AIs asking for a summary. ChatGPT delivered a solid overview in bullet points. Claude provided a structured executive summary with methodology critique and practical implications. For email writing, I asked both to craft a professional follow-up to a potential client. ChatGPT's email was perfectly polite but generic. Claude's version included personalized touches and strategic questions that actually moved the conversation forward. Finally, I tested both with data analysis using a spreadsheet of 200 customer reviews. ChatGPT identified basic sentiment patterns. Claude discovered 3 specific pain points and suggested actionable improvements. After 52 hours of brutal testing, here's my honest verdict. If you're primarily coding or need consistent technical help, Claude edges out ChatGPT with cleaner code and better debugging skills. For creative writing and content creation, it's actually a tie. Both excel, but in different ways. ChatGPT wins for general knowledge questions and casual conversations. Claude dominates in professional contexts where accuracy and responsible AI behavior matter most. The real game changer? Claude's constitutional AI makes it the safer choice for business use, while ChatGPT's broader plugin ecosystem gives it more versatility. My recommendation for 2024? If you're a professional or business owner, go with Claude Pro. If you're a content creator or student who needs versatility, ChatGPT Plus is your best bet. Drop a comment right now and tell me which AI tool you're going to choose and why. I read every single comment. Don't forget to subscribe because next week, I'm testing the top 5 AI image generators that are crushing Midjourney in 2024. You won't want to miss that comparison.